China's role in promoting global human rights cause by sharing experience and building projects to improve people's livelihood has been applauded by some experts.
I think China has been a great partner to the Global South in terms of technological transfer, in terms of economic assistance, and many African countries, for example, would not be where they are without the funds and the know-how from China. They have built dams, built railways, and so on and so forth, which has improved the standard of living of the people in those countries.
China is sharing its experience and to improve the conditions, as I've just discussed, a fantastic experience in removing poverty, and countries like Pakistan and those who are involved in the Road and Belt Initiative can do themselves a huge favor by learning from the Chinese experience.